LTA and BreadTalk present the Thoughtful BreadTalk collection, featuring the thoughtful bunch who remind commuters to stay gracious on their everyday journeys. To mark the Thoughtful Bunch's 10th anniversary, LTA collaborated with BreadTalk to create tasty treats modeled after these 5 iconic characters.
We researched flavors based on each character and created buns that best represented their personalities. For instance, we incorporated Stacy's flower, Martin's glasses, Benny's number 8 jersey, and Hannah's headphones as garnish. My favorite is the chocolate bolo topping, inspired by Glenda's curly hair.
But wait! There are more thoughtful and tasty treats available in-store. The Thoughtful Sharing Toast, Thoughtful Cottony Cakes, Thoughtful Sea Salt Cheesecake, and the Thoughtful Push Pop. Taste the thoughtfulness and stay gracious while commuting. The Thoughtful BreadTalk collection, now baking at a store near you.